Hi, my name is Dave, and this is a tutorial for PC users that will be transitioning to a Mac for the first time. On the screen before you, this is a new iMac desktop version, and today I just want to be a simple little video where I talk about just a few things. The desktop, the Apple menu, which is the equivalent of the Windows startup menu, and the Apple menu is located in the upper left hand corner. It's this Apple icon. I also want to talk about the Windows equivalent of Windows Explorer, which for Apple is called Finder, and I want to talk about the Apple dock, which is all this in the bottom of your screen. It lists all these icons. That's to me, that's brand new as a PC user. And I also want to talk about how to access system preferences. That for me, that was really important. To be able to know how to go in and customize things and change them. So this is the desktop, and as you can see, it's blank. But just like on the PC version, you can, if you choose, have shortcut icons to your favorite programs. Right now it's blank. The reason why it's blank, it came like this, is because the shortcut icons to our favorite programs and most popular ones already listed down here on the bottom of the screen in what Apple calls the dock. And you can see as I scroll my mouse over them one at a time, there's all these icons that are shortcuts to programs. And of course the dock is fully customizable. You can remove icons, and you can add shortcuts to different programs that you use on a regular basis. Now this one here that I've highlighted, it says Finder. It's in the lower left hand corner. I'm going to click on that and open that up. The Finder is important because it's the equivalent of the Windows Explorer, and it is a basic overview of everything in your hard drive. So now that I've opened it up, you can see everything on my desktop, which it's blank, my documents blank, and anything I may have downloaded, which it's brand new, so I haven't downloaded anything. So that's important to know, to know where the things on your computer are. Also, applications. This lists all the applications that have been installed on the computer. Very important to know where that is. The Apple menu located in the upper left hand corner. It's this little Apple icon. I'm going to left click on it, and this is the equivalent of the startup menu on a PC. And as with the startup menu on a PC, you have the option of shutting down or restarting. The other thing that's really important is something called system preferences, and that's the Windows equivalent of the control panel. You need to know where system preferences is. So I'm going to left click there, and it's going to pop up. Now you don't need to memorize all the different options inside system preferences, but you do need to know that if you want to make changes, this is where you go to make them. That's the difference, and that's why it's important. Let's go ahead and have a little example of a change that we can do right away. So like the desktop, the picture in the background is a solid blue. Let's go ahead and change that. So if you'll left click on the desktop and screensaver, you come up to desktop pictures, and we can actually choose a different picture. And I kind of like this one with the elephant. That's pretty neat. But for my tutorials, I'll be probably using the solid blue color. It's less distracting, I think. So I'm going to go ahead and change it back. One other thing before we end this video is the Apple equivalent of Internet Explorer. Now I plan on using Chrome for future reference, but right now I don't have it installed. So Safari is the equivalent of the Internet Windows Explorer. Safari is the name of the program that comes with the Mac. So let's left click on it, and you'll notice the window pops up, but you'll also notice that now in the upper left hand corner the name of the program we are running is listed. It's listed as Safari. And the reason why I'm talking about that is because when you do close a window that you have open, and with the PC you would close it by hitting the X in the upper right hand corner. With the Mac you hit the X in the upper left hand corner. And this one also minimizes, this one's expands. So let's close it. When you close that window, you see Safari is still located here. It's still, because the program's still open. So you do have to quit it in order to close it. So you would click on Safari, and scroll down the drop down menu and choose Quit Safari. The other way to do that is go to the shortcut, the Safari shortcut, hold Control, left click it once, and these options come up and you can quit it from there. Or if you have right click enabled on your mouse, you can right click and select Quit. Well, that was just a brief overview, and as I was discovering the Mac for the first time, yes, I became easily frustrated, but I think the antidote for that is knowing where to go to make changes and having more control. It helps with confidence, and it's a pretty neat, pretty easy to use. And thank you very much for watching.